Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been on my channel before, welcome. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button below, and don't forget to tap the little bell to get notified for every video I do post. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing video. It's gonna be on my classic volume lash starter kit. I got it from Paris Lash Academy. I've heard so-and-so reviews, so I'm excited, I'm nervous, but yeah, this is my first lash kit, so hopefully it's good. One thing is the shipping was super fast. I ordered Friday and it was shipped Saturday morning and I got it today. So that's really one good thing I want to say so far. But yeah guys, let's get into this video. All right y'all, I literally just got this, so thumbnail. Oh my gosh, cringe, ew. But yeah you guys, we're gonna open this up. I'm super excited. This is what it looks like when I opened it up. Oh, that's so pretty. The holographic. I love holographic anything. If you know, if you've been following me, you ever purchased anything from me, all my packaging is holographic. Love holographic. Yeah, you guys, let's pull it out. I gotta take a little thumbnail with this. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's super pretty. There you guys. I'll show you what it looks like once I open it as well. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like when you open it. I'm gonna try and hold it up so I can at least when I open it up. Oh gosh, you guys. Bear with me. Looks like a whole bunch of stuff in there. Let's see. Y'all, I'm so excited. All right, you guys. First thing I see here is one of these. It's like a mirror. I'll pull everything out for you guys because I know when I watch reviews, I want to see everything if I'm buying it. This kit right here was $2.90, $2.95 with shipping, insurance. But that's that. It's super cute. I love the pink stuff. That's one thing though I like about this brand. Everything's a pink. Okay, your girl loves pink. Loves pink and holographic. That's what my business colors are. So there's that. And then I will try and link what it does or what it is up here if I can. These are some glue holders. That's what they look like. Super cute. Pink, girl, pink. I got one of these. So you guys, I don't know what everything is because I am new, so I can't explain what everything is. I will try my best to find what it is and link it up here, put the name of it up here or something. But yes, this, I believe these hold your tools, your tweezers and stuff. Super cute, black, pink. Love that. Love that. Trying to keep everything in the packaging. We got some of these and these. Some spoolies. I love all these colors, so. Oh, they got another one as well. So we got 2 packages of these. Super cute. And 2 packages of these. So sorry guys, I just saw. They're at the bottom. Those are cute. This right here. These are Pro-Made fans, I believe. Again, don't quote me. I am new to all this lash stuff. But I will go ahead and open it for you guys. I've heard good things about their Pro-Made fans. So I'm super excited. Let's open it up, you guys. I'm gonna try and be fast and not sit here and watch me open stuff. These are 6D, 0.07D. They look like. I'll try to put it closer. It says be the game changer. Super cute. I like that. And I hear really good things about their tweezers as well. Yeah, they got really good ones. I know a lot of people that like have purchased like tweezers off of Amazon like kits. They didn't really like them that well, but I've heard they got really good tweezers. Here's one of them. Here's another one. And here's these two. Trying to get it so you can see them. Okay. And then we got glue support. And we got Supreme Bonder. I'll go ahead and open these up for you as well. Here's a glue support. It is, I'm trying to see if there's like any milligrams. Not for sure. This one's 15 milliliter. This is the Supreme Bonder. This is the cream remover. I hear this is really good stuff. I know it's like small, but they say like a little goes a long way. I just love like all the packaging. Everything's like super pink. Like I said, I love pink, you guys. So that's that. Here's this thing. Sorry guys. This is cute. I'm not sure what this is for. It's like a placard. It's like where you like do stuff with your fans on. Again, like I said, I am very new to this stuff, so don't mind me. This is super cute. I think that is so cute. That's super cute. It's probably something to do with like your lashes, like making your fans. And then this is a silicone pad. It's pink. Super cute. I'm not gonna pull that out. This right here is foam eye pads. The ones that go underneath, I believe. I can go ahead and pull them out for you. That's what they look like. They are latex free, thin, comfortable, gel free, non-slip. Super cute. And I believe they're like removable with just water. And then, you guys, this is Amplified Lash. These go up to 15 millimeter. That's what they look like. Those are cute. Y'all, I'm like loving the packaging though, like loving it. Like they definitely did that. And then here's like one of them little fans. I got a black one. Cute. I'm probably gonna buy my own as well though. And then here are some Pro-Made as well. I'm gonna put everything out for you guys. Super cute. Open it up. Like how everything's like magnetic. And this is what they look like. It says, too glam to give a damn, period. Okay, don't play. That's what those look like. I'm trying to get close to you. Those look cute. So cute, you guys. Here's another one. Go ahead and show you these. Like I said, this is the classic and the volume set. And these go up to 16. Isn't there definitely a lot longer, like at the bottom? Those are so cute. So cute, girl. I am like obsessed. I am so excited to start this stuff, y'all. I've always been like into stuff like this, so like I'm in esthetician school, so like now that I got this, I'm really ready to start this journey, girl. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna pull this out because you can see it. These go up to 15 millimeter. Oh, these are like this. They're more like volume than the other ones I showed. Here's some more. Yo, this stuff is so cute. Let me get over it. Okay, this is professional adhesive. This is what it looks like. Comes in a little box like this. This, so it looks like. Don't have makeup under my nails, you guys. I was doing my makeup for this, like, you know how I'm doing nails doing makeup. And then it also comes with a little like screw to like pop the top, and then like an extra top. Nice, nice. Love that. Again, if you guys have any like suggestions on like other glues as well that you like, I'm new to this, so like I heard like Live Bay. I don't know if it's like how good it is. I don't know, like I just was like I'm all for the suggestions. So yes, girl. And if you are like a lash like a person, you know, if you're trying to like start lashes, I would recommend something like this, just to start you with everything. And it wasn't like super expensive. It was only $290, originally like $400. There's some lash cleaner, super cute, super pink. Girl, so cute. Love it here. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, these are some super mink. Look at these. I gotta see, and that's super mink. I love mink lashes, so I'm all for it. All for it. What it looks like. Open it up. So same thing, 2 glam to give a damn. Super cute. And I'm trying to see if these are the same ones. They're like super curly. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I hope I'm good at them. I hope I'm like cold with it. You gotta give me like 3 months. And then it comes with some tape. I heard you can get like a whole bunch of this at like a Walgreens. So that's nice. But yeah, you guys, that is all that was in my kit. I'm going to take like a picture of it and put it up here. Like I'm gonna put it all like in there all cute. And then show you what it looks like. I am so excited. If you have any tips of like other kits that you like or you'd like me to review, I will go ahead, I will order them. Just let me know which ones. I am all for like different like glue types as well. So like I just don't know, like I'm starting, so like I'm just like learning like which glue would be the best. I also hear like steamers are like really good, like to keep your room humidified, because like I didn't know like all that stuff with like how the lash glue has to be like a certain, you know, like temperature and all that stuff. So definitely a lot to learn. But I start my certification classes today. I'm gonna start like just like the eyelash theory, like hair theory, and then I'm going to like the eyelash theory, and then I'm going to do like, I gotta get a mannequin head, so it should be here like tomorrow. I'm gonna order today, and I'm gonna start my process of learning how to lash. I do need 3 live models. I will also do like a review on what I think of this like lash certification and training. It was $100. I know it seems very cheap, but she like made like a very long like video, like introduce yourself, how she would like to like just like give back, and she's been doing it for so long. So I hope it's good. I've heard really good reviews on it, so I'm super excited to try it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to put like a picture like up here, or like at the end of this video showing what exactly is inside of all of it. I will do like a up close video so you guys can see what it actually looks like inside. It's super cute packaging though, like I give them that. Like I love the packaging. I love pink anything, so I think it's really like, I don't know, I'm just super excited to actually try this stuff. And I hope my journey goes good. But again, if you have any like other video suggestions or like any other like ideas or any other like brand you'd like me to try, I am all for it. Again, just drop it in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I just want to show a little like up close video on it. I put it in there all cute though, and make it look cute. Here's the tweezers. But yes, I love the packaging though. It looks super, super cute. Like the box looks so cute coming in. Yeah, guys, I just want to show you like a little like up closer so you can really see it. And this is the top of it. I got some stuff on it, you guys, sorry. But yeah, super cute.